cut. In my business, it's easy to tell whether someone's done the work. Me, I always stay prepared. Darlings, I'm a professional at everything I do, and I expect the same from others, especially when it comes to my car. And CarShield administrators are the experts at getting expensive repair bills paid.
Call CarShield today. Plans through CarShield pay for expensive repairs on up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car when they break down, including your engine, transmission, AC, entertainment system, and even your electronics. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, where they help you find a certified repair shop near you.
Best reason for anyone to call CarShield? Car breakdowns never happen when you expect it. Anytime I can save a buck and get good service, I'm happy.
It's so easy to be prepared for the worst, especially if you've called the best. CarShield, America's #1 auto protection company. They have a network of certified repair technicians. They make the repair process as easy as possible.
CarShield administrators go the extra mile by including coast-to-coast 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car auctions included. Best of all, you'll get CarShield's price lock guarantee, which means your low monthly rate never goes up for as long as you own your car.
Having CarShield gives us a peace of mind. Having an older car, you never know what's going to happen.
We're CarShield family now and until the end of time.
Don't get caught off guard because you didn't do the work. Be a pro and get prepared by calling CarShield. But darlings, this is important. You have to call before your car breaks down, or it's too late.
Call CarShield now. CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company, offering you even more for your money with the CarShield guarantee. Your rate never goes up and your coverage never goes down, no matter how many claims you have. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.